Hi viewers, Samanath Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to this video, we have today's tidbit. So subsequent video we will see a tidbit. We take some quote from the new trading for a living book written by Alexander Elder, one of the important book, especially for the traders. Those who are not investors, those who are trader must have to read this. It changed a lot of my trading career, we can say. So from that book we will take some quote, important points as a quote. So today's the emotional trading is lethal. To ensure success, practice defensive money management. A good trader watches his capital as carefully as a professional scuba diver catches his air supply. So the thing is, the one should not have an emotional in trading. That act as a weapon, it will destroy you and your capital. So to make a success in trading, one have to manage the money management. You have to know the money management. So how it the author is comparing is like a scuba diver. The scuba diver hold this oxygen cylinder in his bag and dive in the ocean water. So he keep on check the oxygen level in the cylinder. So that's how we have to keep check our money capital. So that's where the money management comes in play. So now we'll go to the video. Before that, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here is my views for educational purpose. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. That will be always good. Now we'll go to the video. So first we will start with gold. So this is in global context. So then global context, we keep saying that the gold is in the downtrend now, in the minor downtrend I said. So you see that in the 4-hour chart. If you see the 4-hour chart, it properly respecting the channel and coming down. And if you see the last 24 hours, it is suddenly it spike. So now it respecting the channel resistance. So why this has come? So for that we have to check the US dollar index, that we will see now. See the dollar index, this is the 4-hour chart. Suddenly from 105.50 to it came down to close to 104. $1.5 it has drastically came down. So it is very drastic. It should not happen like this, but it had happened. So due to some various reason, so this impacted the gold and silver prices, the sudden spike in gold and silver prices. So if you see that overall now the dollar in the downside, but after this big red candle there will be some recovery. How you can see here, the similar recovery will happen here. So with that sense, again gold and silver may go some level in the upper side, then again it will come down. So again it will gold, dollar, silver come down, again it will go up. So this is how it shows. So now we will see the gold once again. So this upsurge because of the dollar index fall. So now again if the dollar index rebound, it will come down to this channel support. So this is what logically it says. If you see the left side, this is the overall this is the weekly chart. So the overall trend is a downside, but as you seeing that it break the channel and again it could not penetrated within the channel. So that's why the long term trend maybe go in the upward. So if you see this, don't compare this channel with this, because this channel exactly happened at above this main channel here. So for positional trading, you watch this, and for the overall view you watch this weekly chart. So now how this is replicating now in our MCX gold price. Yes, exactly, the MCX price is replicating the global price. See the sudden spike. Now it may come down as a rebound, we can see. How in the global context it touched the channel resistance, now it's moving toward the support. So similarly it will come down. So the left side is the gold put option, 61 strike put option. Just a moment. Yes. So we started tracking while the gold was in 61,000. So we started tracking. If you see here, so we started tracking the gold price as once the trend is downtrend started. We started tracking the 61 put option. So if you see this put option, exactly we started tracking here. So it was around 6,000. It has gone down to 15,000. Now it is at 10,600. This is about MCX gold. Now we will see the global contract silver and we will come back to the MCX silver. Yes. So this is again dollar index impact we can see. And if you see this is the minor downtrend. If you see here, it's gradually it is coming down, but there is no momentum. So that's what we are seeing in the left side weekly chart. So the overall trend also in the downside. So this immediate this short term channel, this you see where it is fall here. So the overall trend is a downtrend. So this is about silver. We will see in MCX as well. So exactly this spike because of the dollar. So exactly replicating the global contract. So we started tracking this while the silver price was 72,000. If you see here, it was around it gone to 73, but it sustained here. So with that respect, we started tracking the 72,000 put option. So it was around 1,150. It has gone to 2,800 because of this big upsurge. The put option came down to 1,150. Once again, the price where we initiated. Now we will see the crude oil in global contract. So global contract also say that it's respecting the channel. So it has come below the channel again and it moved towards the channel and it gone very much close to the resistance. It may once again touch the resistance and again come down. So with that sense, it will go to $80. Again, it may come down. So if you see the left side, the weekly chart, the overall the trend is in the downside. So maybe it may fall further or it may go sideways this place around $80 to or $2 plus or minus. It may take a sideways moment. There is a possibilities. Let me see in the subsequent session. Now we will see in the MCX crude oil exactly it replicating the same. So the left side is the 7,500 put option. When the price was 7,500, we started tracking the 7,500 put option. So it was around 40,000. It has gone to 1,20,000. Now it is a 94,400. So this is about crude oil. So crude oil also overall is in the downside. Now we will see the now we will see natural gas. So natural gas, first we have to see the left side because the overall trend is in the uptrend, but the immediate short term trend is in the downside. If you see here, the immediate short term trend is a downside. So why this downside? Because if you see the overall trend upside, it touched the channel resistance. Now it is moving toward the channel support. So that's why this downtrend, the short term downtrend. So it may come down to $2.7. So within MCX, it may touch 225 to 230 rupees. Now in MCX, it is trading around. If you see the natural gas, it is trading around 258. So it has came down to 258, gone again 270 and 258. So it may further in subsequent days it may come down to 225 to 230. So I hope this video will be very useful to you. Before to that, have a glance of this expiries, contract feature and option contract expiry. If you see the crude oil option contract expiring today, the crude oil feature contract expires day after tomorrow. So tomorrow this contract won't available. So we will keep track on December option contract and December future contract on tomorrow's video. I hope this video will be very useful to you and informative. Please do subscribe, like this button. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.